Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now trackies, just as we ask questions of our 200-meter women, we ask questions of our men as well. Like what can you really do over the 200 meters this season internationally? That's our biggest question. Well, trackies, they answered me, right? Or they answered us, right? So let me break down the preliminary rounds. Of course, there were three semifinal rounds, top two, and then the next best two times. Now, in heat one, we had Andrew Hudson taking it. He answered questions there. He won in 20.31 seconds. We haven't really been seeing him this season. Saw him two times over the 100 meters outdoors, not over the 200. Well, he came and he answered and he said, I'm good. He looked smooth in his race and he qualified with a 20.31 seconds. Behind him was Chevoy Reed running 20.55 seconds, also qualifying automatically. Now, the third spot, Adrian Kerr, qualified non-automatically with a time of 20.67 seconds. So great from Adrian Kerr. I've been liking his progress over the 200 meters this season, and he's getting results. So I can't complain. Loving it. So moving on to semifinal number 3, we had Rasheed Dwyer taking it. Again, I asked questions of Rasheed. Will you be able to get to that qualifying standard time? And he answered trackies. He definitely looked as though he'll be able to make that team that time come tomorrow. So hopefully the conditions are in their favor, because trackies, he was able to run 20.25 seconds trackies to take his semifinal trackies, and behind him, easing down, just checking the pace to make sure that he's in an automatic spot, Taekwondo Tracy, finishing in 20.75 seconds. So again, trackies, the guys turned up and delivered solid performances in their semifinal, hoping that they can kick things up a notch in the final. Now, trackies, moving on to the third and final semifinal, Yohan Blake. This is his shot at making the team. He false started, was out of the 100 meters trackies. Guess what? This is his last chance to make the team. He won't be considered for a relay because he didn't make it all the way to the 100-meter finals. Again, he false started. So this is his shot of making the team. And he answered as well, and a solid run from Yohan Blake, 20.35 seconds. Lest we forget, he's the second fastest man ever, not only over the 100 meters, but also over the 200 meters. He's clearly not in that shape, but still was able to come out competently and run 20.35 seconds to qualify. Behind him was Nigel Ellis running 20.52 seconds, and young boy Brian Lavelle, outfitted in Pumas. We're wondering if he's gonna go pro with somebody pretty soon. Ran 20.55 seconds to get a non-automatic berth into the finals. So two juniors made it in trackies. Our future is bright in the sprints, and of course the elder statesmen are there. Yohan Blake and Rasheed Dwyer, and of course our new gun that is really carrying the torch for us in the 200 meters currently. Andrew Hudson has made it through. Now, based on the times, I'm not gonna lie, trackies, I'm expecting it to be a very competitive race, and the more competitive it is the better the times can be potentially. So I'm really looking forward to this race. I'm looking forward to three guys dipping below 20.16 seconds, which is the qualifying standard for the World Championships. I'm looking to have three guys below that, and based on what I'm seeing in this race, we can definitely get there. So looking out for Andrew, of course, looking out for Rasheed, and I'm looking out for Yohan. I'm looking to see them get that time, and of course get spots on the team to the World Championships. Trackies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you make of our 200-meter guys? And as usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.